This video is meant to quickly illustrate how robust systems support and are essential if you're looking to implement truly data-driven decision making. The heart of our process starts with what we call our dynamic control plan. Every single unit within your facility has its own unique control plan where all the various KPIs that impact cost and performance are identified. Their sampling frequency is independently set up per KPI, as well as 3 sets of limits. Operating limits that we work to manage and maintain within, outlier limits that identify when parameters are starting to trend outside a specification, and alert limits where we believe that a KPI has crossed a threshold that might create a quality, availability, or health and safety related event. The control plan then automatically generates our daily auto test log. This is the test log that our service technicians use to go out into the field to set their inspection and testing frequencies. This auto log is dynamically linked to the control plan itself, and therefore as the control plan is updated, the logs used on the floor are updated and identify the tests that need to be performed as well as the corrective actions that need to be implemented in order to bring the process back within specification. All corrective actions are recorded and scanned into our system and made available through our web data entry application. Clients are able to log in and look at data online, as well as our technical personnel that support the facility to ensure that everything stays within specification. One of the things that we provide daily for our clients is what we call our daily data collection compliance report. And this is available online through dashboards or through an email report that indicates of the hundreds of KPIs that we manage and maintain on a day basis, what percentage of them did we actually get done, while highlighting on an exception basis the ones that didn't actually get sampled. This allows us to remotely follow up with our on-site personnel to understand if there's an issue going on or some sort of concern that had kept that parameter from being tested and measured. It allows us for follow-up so that items don't slip between the cracks and go for days and days before they eventually cause a quality or availability related problem. One of the other things the system automatically generates is what we call auto alert emails. So those KPIs that cross those alert thresholds, an email is automatically generated by the system, emailed to the appropriate client personnel to let them know that a parameter has created has crossed a threshold that may be creating quality, availability, or health and safety related event. On a daily basis, these auto alerts feed our daily site meeting, together with any sort of customer concerns, any upcoming cleanouts, PMs, etc. that need to be reviewed by site personnel. Our technical team interface with our on-site personnel, reviewing the data online, and essentially are able to generate any direct action items or communicate with the client if something's required that's outside of our direct scope. The corrective actions are then implemented and recorded. If a change is identified, if a new KPI is identified, if a problem-solving event has identified an opportunity for a control plan adjustment, the control plan adjustment is made, which then feeds into the auto test log generated the next day, closing the loop and ensuring that the process stays in control while continuing to get better and better over time.